show you a few examples of how you can use your vanilla bean paste. Vanilla bean paste is great to have in the pantry. It has a really strong aromatic flavour and is a fantastic substitute for vanilla beans if you can't find them. 1 teaspoon of vanilla bean paste represents 1 vanilla pod or 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Yogurt is a perfect example in the morning. 1 small squeeze of that vanilla bean paste in that yogurt makes a beautiful vanilla yogurt. So much better to make your own style of yogurt at home than buying it pre-flavoured. Also, granola into a baking dish just like this, some oats, along with some pistachios or any nuts that you like. And I love the addition of some coconut. Mix that together. And then in a bowl, some maple syrup, so a good glug of maple syrup for some sweetness. It's also going to give it a nice woody flavour. And again, 1 teaspoon of our vanilla bean paste. Give that a stir and just pour that over our granola mixture. And that goes into the oven. You can roast it 180 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. And a really good tip is not to add your dried fruit now because it'll be quite crunchy and really sticky on your teeth. So I like to add my dried fruit after my granola comes out of the oven. Last one is good old cream, chantilly cream, which is a combination of icing sugar, cold cream. Whisk it until it starts to become thick, and then I add some vanilla bean paste. Again, about 1 teaspoon. And as we whisk that in, you'll see those glorious little speckles. This chantilly cream over an apple crumble, maybe a nice apple pie, or simply over a sticky date pudding, my favourite, would be delicious. There you go, vanilla bean paste, so versatile.